This microcredential focuses on horticulture retailing and contains 4 targeted skills. This targeted skill is about maintaining business records. Record keeping for a small business is very important as it helps to track business operations and finances as well as customer contacts. Fortunately, much of this is computerized and there is assistance available. A business plan is like a blueprint for your business. It should state the need for and uniqueness of the services provided by your business. Summarize the rationale for starting the business with a mission, vision, and value statement. Analyze the region's market to learn of the need for your new business and the niche it will fill. Research any major competitors in the area. List the services you plan to offer. It should also include strategies for financing and marketing. The Small Business Administration, SBA, is a good source of information for guidance on developing a business plan. Business management forms and software can help maintain records. You will need to establish an account management system with forms to record estimations, job schedules, inventory, invoices, timesheets, equipment maintenance, etc. Also, you will need to accurately record payments, expenses, and chemicals, as well as customer contacts. Using a software program to keep records reduces the amount of paper records needed. Records should be maintained accurately, recorded, and updated daily. Always back up electronic records, since many records have a retention requirement. The Internal Revenue Service lists record retention guidelines. For example, accounting invoices and receivables, checks, and payables all must be retained for 5 years. Auditor reports and annual statements must be kept permanently. Time cards are kept for 2 years, personnel files for 3 years, and payroll records for 6 years. There is help for small business owners. Programs like SCORE offer free consulting to small business owners as well as on-demand short courses. The SBA has an online learning platform. Many community colleges offer courses for small business owners to help them learn accounting software designed to run their business. Finally, learning record-keeping requirements and using software systems to manage operations will help your business to be more successful.